Hello and welcome to the Computer Vision and Deep Learning course with Python and PyTorch. Imagine being able to teach computers to see just like humans. Computer vision is a type of artificial intelligence that enables computers and machines to see the visual world just like the humans see and understand their environment. Artificial intelligence enables computers to think, where computer vision enables computers to see, observe, and interpret. More recently, deep learning techniques for computer vision have emerged as a powerful new tool providing flexibility and high levels of accuracy by extracting features automatically from raw data, allowing neural networks to learn hierarchical representations of the data for recognition. So the question is why you must invest your valuable time in this course, because computer vision has a wide range of potential real-life applications across various fields. Computer vision plays a vital role in the development of autonomous vehicles. It enables the vehicles to perceive and understand its surroundings, to detect and classify various objects in the environment, such as pedestrians, vehicles, traffic signs, and obstacles. This helps to make informed decisions for safe and efficient vehicle navigation. Computer vision is used for surveillance and security, using drones to track suspicious activities, intruders, and objects of interest. It enables real-time monitoring and threat detection in public spaces, airports, banks, and other security-sensitive areas. Today, computer vision applications in our daily life are very common, including face detection in cameras and cell phones, logging into devices with fingerprints and face recognition, interactive games, MRI, CT scans, image-guided surgery, and much more. This comprehensive course is especially designed to give you hands-on experience using Python and PyTorch coding to build, train, test, and deploy your own models for major computer vision problems, including image classification, semantic segmentation, object detection, instance segmentation, etc. In this course, you will follow a complete pipeline from dataset preparation, model training, testing, evaluating, deploying to results visualization. In addition, I will also provide you all the Python code so that you can practice and get started immediately. This course is for everyone who is interested in artificial intelligence, computer vision, and deep learning. The average salary for artificial intelligence engineer, computer vision engineer, deep learning engineer, and machine learning engineer is around $90,000 to $160,000 per year. Are you ready to unlock the extraordinary power of computer vision and deep learning with Python? So don't miss out this incredible opportunity. Be at the forefront of innovation, drive real-world impact, and shape the future with computer vision and deep learning. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now and embark on a transformative journey that will unlock endless possibilities for you. See you inside the class.